Hello, dear everyone. Welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Tonight, I would like to share with you on how to make Puto cupcakes. So this is in a steaming process. So prior to that, I would like to preheat my steamer. So please come join with me. Okay, first of all, I am going to preheat my steamer. And so these are the parts of my steamer. So that's the very base of my steamer. So make sure that the water should be very hot, or it should be in a boiling temperature, boiling point of water's temperature. So there are two layers of my steamer. So we're going to make Puto cupcakes. Now this is very easy to make, and these are my plastic molders. So I line this one with my paper cups. Now if you don't have paper cups like this, you don't need to worry. Just grease your plastic Puto molders with oil or butter. But if you want to have it lined, so you can simply go ahead. Now, what are the very basic ingredients that we have? I have here 5 egg whites. So I separated the egg whites and the egg yolks. I do not need egg yolks as of this time. So I have here 1.5 cups of cake flour. I use cake flour. So that's 1 cup, and this is 1/2 cup. So in total, 1.5 cups of cake flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you run out of cake flour. So after which, I am going to add 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. And so I have to add baking powder, at least 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So there you go. You have 1.5 cups of cake flour and 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So this is 1 teaspoon and another teaspoon of baking powder. So simply mix our dry ingredients, maybe good for 15 seconds until the dry ingredients will be all well combined. So I mix this one. So if you think that your flour needs sifting, so you can simply go ahead. But I pre-sifted my flour. Okay, then I am going to add 3/4 cup of fresh milk. If you run out of fresh milk, you simply add 3/4 cups of your water, just at room temperature. So I use this kind of milk, fresh milk. So simply I am going to mix this one until this will be well combined. After that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and then simply mix this one. Okay, there you go. Now we'll see, and I'll show you the consistency. Okay, this is the consistency that we want to achieve. Okay, so set this aside after you mix this one. So wonderful friends, I have here 5 egg whites, and then I'm using my electric hand mixer. And so I'll beat this until this will become frothy or soft peak. I'll put in high speed. Dear wonderful friends, after 1 minute in high speed of beating using my electric hand mixer, this is what I produce. And then I'll have to beat another 1 minute, but I will gradually add 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. And then beat this for another 1 minute at high speed. Okay, there you go. Make sure, lovely friends, that your egg whites are fresh so that you can produce nice and fluffy soft peaks of your meringue mixture. So that's our steamer that is ready to go. So there, lovely friends, this is our meringue mixture. So it's sugar and egg whites. So this batter mixture, I'll have to fold this into my meringue mixture and fold slowly until all they're well combined. So there you go. You can either use this simple whisk or using your spatula to fold in the mixture slowly and surely, and so everything will be well combined. Okay, there you go, wonderful friends. This is the consistency of our batter mixture. So I have to pour this into my molders. So I'm using 1/4 cup. So but you will not really add so much because there's growth. There's a room for the growth of your puto. So maybe 2/3. It's good enough. There you go. So we will fill this until this will all be filled with your batter mixture. Okay, there you go, my dear wonderful friends. And I am going to top this with cubes of or slices of cheddar cheese and salted egg. So I bought this salted egg, and so we'll just top this here. And with the cheese, eggs, and the cheese, and fill this until these are all completed. Okay, that's how it should look like now. The cheese and the salted egg, they are very, very optional. But of course, to make it a little bit more nicer to look, so you can always add that one on top of it. So I'll have to put that into my steamer. Okay, there you go, wonderful friends. So there are 12 here and another 12. So that means to say 2 dozens or 24 pieces. And plus I have here 2. So probably 26 I produce in total. Okay, there you go, wonderful friends. Remember, I recommend that it should be in a high boiling point of water, and then I'll have to put on my steamer on top of this. So I cover it and set this for a timer for 18 minutes. Set that aside and we'll check after 18 minutes. Okay, wonderful friends, after 18 minutes, I'll have to cancel my timer. And come, let's check our Puto cupcakes. It's beautiful. So I'll have to turn this off now and I will let it cool completely. Then I have to take it out so that you can see up close and personal. So these are the outcome of our Puto cupcakes. Thank you very much, wonderful friends, for watching Laurnie's Kitchen and Food Creation. Stay tuned for more cookings and bakings here at my little kitchen. Stay tuned for more.